As promised in the last video, today we are going to make a delicious coffee cake. You can get the required ingredients from here. Let's mix instant coffee with hot water and let it cool down. Then we need to beat egg whites until foamy. Once they are ready, we can keep it also aside until use. Now in a separate bowl, beat butter and sugar until creamy. Then we can add egg yolks one by one into this. After that, add vanilla and prepared coffee. Now we need to gradually add flour and baking powder mixture into this. Finally, we can gently fold beaten egg whites with the batter. We need to bake this cake around 35 minutes under 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. Now our coffee cake is ready. For a better taste, let's decorate the cake with some coffee icing. To make this coffee icing, let's mix coffee with hot water and let it cool down. Then beat butter until it becomes pale in color. Now we need to mix half of the icing sugar with butter. Once icing sugar mixed well with butter, add prepared coffee into this. Then again add rest of the icing sugar. Now everything is ready and we can start decorating the cake. Let's divide the cake into two parts by cutting the cake horizontally from the middle. Then let's sandwich the cake with coffee icing. I am going to cover the whole cake with icing now. You can decorate this cake any way you want. After icing the cake, I thought to add some chopped cashew to the top. Here is our delicious coffee cake. If you like this video, like, comment and share the video with others. Next day, let's make a delicious umbrella recipe. To watch all of my videos, please subscribe my channel and ring the bell.